So, good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to take problems about probability of occurrence of at least one of the events. So, you can write the questions. First question is, Mr. X is interviewed for 3 posts. For the first post, there are 3 candidates. For the second post, there are 4. And for third, there are 2. What is the probability of Mr. X being getting selected? So, probability of selection for first post, that is P of A, is 1 by 3. And probability of selection for second post, P of B equal to 1 by 4. And the probability of selection for third post, P of C equal to 1 by 2. For finding the answer, that is we need to find probability for at least 1. Probability of at least 1. To find this, we can subtract P of none from 1. And probability of not selecting for first post is P of A dash. That will be 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Probability of not selecting for the second post is similarly 1 minus 1 by 4. That will be 3 by 4. And probability of not getting selected for the third post is 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. And the probability of not getting selected for any of the posts is that P of none equal to P of A dash into P of B dash into P of C dash. That will be equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. This 1 by 4. From this we can find probability of getting selected in any of the interview. That is probability of at least 1 equal to 1 minus probability of none. 1 minus probability of none is 1 by 4. So the final answer will be 3 by 4. Clear? So second question is, a student attends 3 interviews. Probability of clearing first is 1 by 3. P of A is 1 by 3. Probability of clearing second is 1 by 2. And it is given that first is failed. And probability of clearing the third is 2 by 3. And it is given that first 2 interviews are failed. Find the probability that student get at least 1 job. So we need to find probability of at least 1. For that we need to subtract P of none from 1. To find probability of none, we need to fail in the first interview. That is P of A dash equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Probability to fail in the second interview is 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. And probability to fail in the third interview is 1 minus 2 by 3. Is 1 by 2. So to fail in all 3 interviews, that is P of none. equal to log P of A dash into P of B dash into P of C dash. That will be equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. That is 1 by 9. So finally we can find the probability that the student get at least one job. Equal to 1 minus probability of none, that is 1 minus 1 by 9. So the answer will be 8 by 9. So we are moving to third question. Third question is that from a bat with 5 red and 3 blue balls, 3 balls are drawn without replacement. Find probability that at least one red ball is drawn. Find probability of, we need to find the probability of at least one red. Probability of at least one red will be equal to 1 minus probability of none. Here probabilities of none is equal to probability of no red. That means all drawn balls should be blue. So in the first draw, probability will be 3 by 8. And in the second draw, probability will be, here no replacement is there. So probability will be 2 by 7. And in the third row, probability will be, again no replacement is there. So probability will be 1 by 6. So probability of no red equal to probability of all should be blue. That is 3 by 8 into 2 by 7 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6. And probability of at least one red ball is drawn. Equal to 1 minus probability of no red. That is 1 minus 1 by 56. So the answer will be 55 by 56. Now we are moving to fourth question. Question is, a person throws, in the first condition, person throws a die, and in that the condition is that success is equal to getting 6. So probability of getting success in first condition is 1 by 6. Second condition is, second situation is a coin, and here success is getting a head. This 1 by 2. And the third situation, a card from a deck. And in that condition is that success is equal to getting a king. So question is, find probability of at least one success. Third situation, a card from a deck. And success is getting king. Getting king is 4, and from a deck means 52. Equal to 1 by 13. Probability of not getting success in first condition is equal to 5 by 6. Probability of not getting success in second condition is 1 by 2. And probability of not getting success in third condition is 48 by 52. That will be equal to 5 by 30. And now we are finding probability of not getting success in any of the situation. That is, probability of none is equal to 5 by 6 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 13. So here it is 12 by 13. Answer will be 5 by 13. Probability of at least 1 equal to 1 minus 5 by 13. That will be equal to 8 by 13. Here, one more question and I will post it in the group. So, thank you.